I will share with you an idea of how you can send an email to your email list, or how you can post on social media, for example, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any other place, and get 5 to 10 people messaging you that they want to work with you. So you can then talk to them and you can get them signed into your Skool membership program. Let me now explain to you how this works. For example, yesterday I sent an email out to my 750 people on an email list, and 8 of them messaged me back that they are interested in working with me. I'm gonna explain you what I wrote in the email in this video replay where I already taught this idea to one of my Skool members, but a real quick summary of what I said was, hey, I am looking for you to work with me on a results basis, so I help you achieve this outcome. You insert here certain outcome, and I'm gonna work with you and help you become one of my best case studies in return for you leaving me a testimonial or going on a 10-minute YouTube video with me explaining how I helped you achieve this outcome. So you see what we are doing? We are telling people that we're gonna work with them on a results basis, so in return they leave us a testimonial. And by the way, heads up, we are not gonna work with them for free. They still gonna pay us for our membership program for us to work with them on a results basis. So if you write an email or a post saying exactly what I just told you and then tell people, hey, message me if you would like to know more about how this works, then you're gonna be able to book calls with people, speak with them, and explain them how all of this is gonna work. You're gonna sign them into your membership program. You're not gonna work for free with them, and you're gonna tell them that on top, as part of them being in your membership program, you're gonna also guide them a little bit one-on-one besides of your memberships group calls, right? So they can really succeed. That's what we're gonna tell them. Watch this video where I explain it all, how it all works. Down below this video, I'm giving you a free template as well, so you can test this post or an email out and send it to your email list, post it on social media, and then please tell me that you got some people replying to your email or leaving comments under your posts. And yes, please let me know if this post worked for you. How can you on a daily basis regularly create some content, emails, and get more chats coming to you, more people interested? You could try this, what I did yesterday. It got me 8 people replied, interested. So I did this, right? I mean, I put 3 case studies down below because I already have some, but don't worry about that. That's only possible on Skool. On Facebook and email, I did it differently, but I will work with you on a results basis. I use these words results basis because then people are like, whoa, cool, awesome, let's go, right? And help you get this outcome, right? I used to say this, I am looking for a beta test case study person who I'm going to work with on a results basis, and I'm going to help them build their first website, if that's your niche. So, I mean, you're going to need to figure out if this can be applied, right? But I said, I'm open to work with you on results basis and help you sign your first members who pay you this much. I grew my membership to 30 plus people, and I want to help you to do the same. After you read this post, message me. This is important. I tell people to message me already in the second sentence of the post. So they know that they're going to need to message me after they read this, or they will message me already right now if that's enough info, right? Yeah. But then I told them why I'm doing this. If you agree that our sessions can be recorded so I can use them as a case study for my YouTube channel, I will then work with you on results basis and help you sign your first 5 members. I didn't really say that that's free. Yeah. It's hidden behind the words, to be honest, because I still need that person to be committed, and I'm going to tell them then after they said interested, they will message me. I'll tell them all of that on a call. Yeah. That's why we need to do the calls. I'll tell them, hey, I'll work with you. You're going to need to join my membership.
Yeah. No, I don't think that if you'd have said free in the title, that's different. But no, I don't believe that's underhanded at all. I think that's...
Yeah. But you see what we tell them? You need to join my membership. Yeah. And I'm going to on top. You're going to be part of my membership. It's going to be still results basis. I want you to become my best case studies. And if you really want to do the ninja technique here, you say, you are now part of my membership. I will do one-on-ones with you. I'll meet with you once a week and help you build your website or whatever, right? So anyway, that's how this works. And then I said, this is what we're going to do. I inserted my 4 steps to go through here. That's curriculum, the 3 steps of your course. Decide on which platform for your website you're going to use, whatever your niche is. In my case, this is this, right? When in your case, it's building websites and so on, and then I explained a little more of it. And I will work with you privately, help you go through those steps so you can succeed, right? I'm looking to create a successful case study with you and use it for my YouTube channel so more people can benefit from my method. This is why I want to offer this. So they agree to be this recorded, right? For example, right? Because that's why I really want to give my extra attention to them. I want them to succeed. Okay, testimonial plus benefits my YouTube channel a lot, and me, and I'm paid, and so on. So you're gonna achieve this outcome if we do this together and so on. And I said here, I'll guide you through this if you allow me to record our conversations and use the case study for my YouTube channel. My assistant forgot to put here at the end the last call to action. I didn't even see this so far. So here is missing the same thing again. Accidentally, they deleted it yesterday. This needs to be again at the end, but we did a lot of work yesterday. I accidentally clicked the bell there. You need to say, message me right now so we can talk and see if our energies match. I really want to do this with you or whatever, right? That's how I just post my content. 8 people replied to me, to my emails. Here on Skool, not a lot leads generated or so. Some people saw it, some likes, perfect, very good. They know who I am, what I do. But on my email here in high level, right, or in my Gmail, they are all stacked under 9 of it's the same, it's connected, right? 8 people. This sounds great. Hey, Sunshine, how are you, or whatever. I would like to know more. Interested. I'm interested. Good afternoon. Thank you. I didn't check that. I would be interested in learning more. I would love to be your case study. And that's so 8-9 people, right?
Can I ask where you posted that one?
Sorry?
Can I ask where you posted it on Skool? You didn't get much pickup from there.
Yes.
Which platform did you get the best results from?
It seems that email.
Email. Okay. You sent that out as a warm outreach as well.
No, email newsletter to everyone. 750 people on my email list, right? Yeah. I did the same thing for an email. The same title for subject, the same thing, except I switched message me. I said, reply to my email here so we can talk. This is what we all need to know, how to repurpose our content pieces, right? On social media, you say, message me. Via email, you say, reply to me here.
Yeah.
And you see 8-9 people, right? So that's one thing. I posted this also on my Facebook channel and LinkedIn. I did not check this that much yet, the results. I didn't have too much time. But on Facebook last year, people just started messaging me when they saw this. I did it a little differently. I instead say, I'm looking for a beta test case study who I'm going to help achieve this and that in a similar talk. Message me, right? I did it similarly. And this just kind of worked. Hey, I want to be your best case study, or I want to be your test person. And they will message you. And then I tell them, look, it's not free. I still want to be, you will be committed, open Skool, come into my membership. I'm going to do one-on-ones on top. All right. I just wanted to tell you this. All right.
Well, you just, I don't know if you remember, but this is exactly what you did with me. And I contacted you months ago. So it worked because I had just jumped into Skool for the first time. And you were the very first person who messaged me directly, basically saying a similar thing. And then when you talked me through it, what the costs were and everything involved with it, it was absolutely fine because I felt I was getting a really good deal at that point for what I was paying. So I think that model works really well. And is that why you don't put I don't think you put a limit on there in terms of how many people you can take on?
Yeah, because I hate those salesy techniques. I was just saying this last time. I don't like that, to be honest.
Yeah.
Spots are limited. It expires on next Friday. I'm like, who did I say this to you as well? Someone on this call. Me, when we do these group calls, webinars, would you say it's limited? Would you say countdown, sign till? I'm like, please, I don't want to do those things. If someone sees value for $100 a month in this, they will join. If they want to achieve that outcome, and if I tell them that I'm going to work with them, interact with them, and blah, 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 they will join. I don't want to do those things. I want to be rather more authentic. That's what I said, right? I'm just saying. And we can practice if those other things work as well later. But anyway.
Yeah. How do you think, so would you say bulk email out, or would you break it down and target individuals who you think
No,
could be
I would just bulk them all. I discluded my existing members and my existing have Skool affiliates. So you need to know how to disclude certain tags. That's why we need to know how to manage our contacts in our email marketing software correctly, because these emails shouldn't go to everyone, just to the right people. So let me just put some of my words and some of our results basis and help you.
I will help you get your website live. That's a big one, and looking polished and professional.
Would you say so it gets you more clients or whatever, benefits? Or no need, but I'm telling you specifically.
I think from what I've spoken to the people in our community, the idea of getting over the mental block of getting it live is enough, I think.
Look, then continue. I will do this with you in return to later. You leave me a testimonial, right?
Yeah.
Whether written or video case study with me or whatever, right? This is just, and that's why they would do it. They're like, oh, I would do it with this guy for a testimonial, right? And then you do message me so we can discuss how this is going to work. This up here now, this is that mini first transition soft call to action. And then you go into more explaining more how it's going to work. You can use my template, right? I will actually turn this into a template later today. Check my post, how I did it. As a bonus, I also want to show you what I do then after people comment or after people reply to the emails, right, that they would want to know more how it is to work with me on results basis. And what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to simply send them something like, okay, sure, let's meet and talk about the plan. Can you schedule a call here with me so it's easier to match our schedules? Because there is like 8, 10, 15 people always replying to my emails or commenting on the content of mine that they're interested, and I rather just give them the link to schedule a call with me. And after they're gonna schedule a call with me and people can pick time, and when people pick time and they book a call, this page is connected to my high level software here, and it moves them a stage ahead here in the opportunities section where I have all of my leads who I'm booking calls with. For example, right now I will put those here under invited for a call, and when they gonna schedule a call with me, the automation that I have set up in the software, when they schedule a call with me through the booking page, right, it's gonna automatically move them to the call scheduled, right? So here I manage my leads, here I follow up with people who I need to talk to, go on calls and so on, and I'm gonna show you right now how this works. So that's why I usually suggest that you have it all in one place. I manage my contacts, my leads with this software that I even give to the members who I work with, and I help them manage it all technically, right? So I can have it all in one place. I have all of the contacts here, the names, the tags of people. I know who is who's my member, who is not, who I'm scheduling calls with, right? So it's just all in one place. I send emails to all of them through this app, and then I can check conversations and see who replied to me, right, to my emails. It's all in one place, and we'll deal with a few of those right now live, so you know how I book calls through chats, right, where people reply to my emails, to my posts, and I get into DMs with them, or emails here, right? We'll discuss this right now. See, someone says, I would like to know more, I'm interested, right? We reply, hey, sounds great. And then we're gonna use the script, right, that I already prepared ahead of time, and we'll say this: to know each other's visions. And that's what I'm gonna do, okay? I will just send this right now. You see, I invite people for a call, and now I invited this person for a call. I will also open them here as a contact lead, and I will create an opportunity with them, right? At the moment, this stage needs to be done manually because there is no such an automation to tell the software right now that that person was invited for a call automatically. But we're gonna do that manually now. We're gonna add an opportunity here, add an opportunity, and when we add an opportunity here, it's gonna automatically add them a tag scheduling call. So we're gonna know that in the future, and we're gonna put them into the membership sales pipeline, and I invited for a call, right? So we know that we invited this person for a call, and we create this opportunity now, and it's gonna show here now in the opportunities section, and after they're gonna schedule a call through my application forum, it's gonna automatically move them here, right? And we know that we scheduled a call, and if they become a client, then we're gonna drag them down at the end here that they became a member. Then they will appear here in the contacts. They will be tagged a member, and they will appear here in the contacts under members, and we will have them here then. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. You learned how to create content, create emails, post them, send them to your email list, get people to reply to your emails, post under content, then you go into the DM chats with them, you book a call, right? And from the calls you can get more potential members to work with you then. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, find the link down below, join our free Skool community where we all hang out, support one another on the journey of growing our membership programs so we can have recurring income from us being a coach, us being a leader with a course, community, coaching calls, and so on, right?